Hello everyone to Machine Channel. New and smart, witness a train crashing without observing the drivers of overloaded vehicles causing the train to flip over. If you have any information for the channel, please like and follow the channel. Let's go. The truck driver did not calculate correctly when the curve was tightened, causing the vehicle to lose balance and overturn everything, causing a major traffic jam. Perhaps this job should be assigned to the lumberjack.
Oh my god.
He used the sander incorrectly. It looks very heavy. Everything will be fine if a professional driver uses it. Two, he tried his best.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Nice. Yeah, I'm taking a video.
With many years of experience, each slap was performed with great skill. He performed without a single mistake, and the response was different from what was expected. The truck tried to climb the hill. The engine roared, the wheels rubbed against each other. Smoke filled the air. The road became chaotic, surrounded by white smoke, and then the tires couldn't bear the load and exploded. Locals named this road the Road of Death. A wrong turn can lead to loss of control in the wrong direction, which can cause serious damage to people and property. The road requires drivers to be very careful. Just 1 second wrong and everything will Oh my God. Luckily no one was in the bus. Oh my God. In this moment, everything is easy when everyone has a good heart. A moment is saved for millions of years.
Oh my god.
In this moment, everything is easy when everyone has a good heart. A moment is saved for millions of years. Heart-stopping moment when a tourist convoy narrowly avoids a landslide. If it had touched anything, things would have been very bad. Because of not calculating the weight of the machine, everything seemed to be broken, causing the bridge cable to break. Many people panicked when witnessing this scene. Everything seemed impossible, but the driver did not disappoint the audience, performing a cornering act that only happens in dreams, an impressive moment. Nervous and scared, suddenly a young man was impatient and took the risk when only a few seconds were left. Luckily, there was a security guard. Everything would have been very bad. handsome man helped a truck escape danger while cornering a dangerous and difficult mountain pass. A beautiful action helps life and traffic safety become more beautiful. The truck suddenly lost control. It was so terrifying that it almost collided with the vehicle next to it. Cutting wood is easy work, but if you do it wrong, the consequences will be huge. Oh no, everything seems to be in chaos every time I try to turn the steering wheel. The engine howls, everything seems to be in chaos. Which way does he choose to go? If no one believes, then I believe. If there is real supernatural power in the world, then this is the real supernatural power. The tree cutter has never let me down. The durability of each cut, the sharp sound of the saw, one cut says it all. Climbing up the mountain only shows that the child has the ability. This machine has broken the technical record. Each action is very meticulous. Just a little carelessness. He can meet his grandparents. With tons of wood on the back of the cat machine, it has demonstrated its technique and ability to withstand harsh terrain, challenging all discs. Please give Channel 1 a follow so that the channel can always develop.
Oh my god.
The excavator accidentally slid down the mountain, and the driver was surprised when he calmly walked out of the cabin as if nothing had happened. The truck was stopping to get gas. The scene was peaceful. Suddenly there was an explosion. Everything could not be extinguished. The person was fine. The incident is being investigated and clarified.
Oh my god.
The landscape was so bright and beautiful. Suddenly, the beautiful landscape was broken. The pilot made a technical mistake. In just a split second, millions of dollars were destroyed. What is this strange thing? It's so beautiful. If anyone knows what it is, please leave a comment. Because the labor cost is very expensive, Indian engineers and farmers have created a weeding machine that works very well and lasts a long time. Everything seems perfect, a masterpiece with unlimited creativity. The video ends here. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel so that it can grow stronger.